travel professor here in Dezerland, Orlando. It's the largest indoor activities place in the state. It's got lots of things to do. Car museum, go-karts, pinball machines. Here is a new attraction. Entertainment places need to keep inventing themselves, need to keep innovating. And here is the launch of Toxic Blast. What is it? Well, it's something like paintball, something like, but not as painful, little pellets, and something like laser tag, but without the electronic parts. So it's fun. I just went and did it. It didn't hurt. I died many times, and yeah, lots to do. Hide behind things. You have teams, shooting, and anyway, it was really fun. And yeah, if you're around, check it out.